Hey guys, Ryan here, and today I'm going to show you how I paint a clone trooper like this for Star Wars Legion. So as usual, my first step is to prime my mini, and I like to use a zenithal highlight while I prime. I've got a tutorial for that up here. This helps add a lot of contrast to your model before you even add any other colors. If you aren't a fan of this method, you could also prime your model in a light gray instead and still follow along with the rest of the tutorial. Next, I'm going to take some Grim Black Army Painter Speed Paint and start painting the undersuit, gaps in the armor, the gun, visor, and other details on the helmet. Oh, and the bottom of the boots. You could also use some black contrast paint from Games Workshop, black inks, or some normal black acrylic paint thinned down a bit so that it flows into the recesses better. Now, I'm going to use some hardened leather Army Painter Speed Paint to paint the strap going across his shoulder for his binoculars. This will help add a splash of color for an otherwise black and white mini. Be careful to only paint this on the strap. If you get it on the armor, we can always come back and clean it up with white or gray afterwards. Next, I'm going to take some Army Painter Matte White, short for Matthew White, and add some highlights to his armor. I'm going to be painting this on any of the upward facing surfaces of the armor, the tops of his shoulders, helmet, arms, legs, etc. Take your time here. I'm going with a slightly more rough style on purpose here, trying to mimic the Clone Wars animated series style a little bit. Oops, I coated the whole base in Army Painter Leather Brown, but forgot to hit record. My bad. I'm now going over the top of that with some Desert Brown, but not too thick because I want the colors to mix a bit. Not quite a dry brush, but not full coverage either. Once that's dry, I'm going to add a couple of little tufts of grass, also from Army Painter. These will help add some visual interest to this really simple base and keep it from looking too plain. These are great for this. Alright, and there we have it. One finished, shiny clone trooper. This guy will make a great addition to my Republic army for Star Wars Legion as is, but I may come back later and add some extra color to him in a future tutorial. If you enjoyed this video and want to help support me creating this kind of content, consider joining my YouTube channel as a paid member. You can also subscribe on Patreon if you'd prefer as well. I also have a community Discord if you just want to hang out with some cool people. Links for all of these are down in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.